me, let me grab, and we're going to tell you right there. And I'm going to show you my Webkinz, like house where I put all my Webkinz. So here it is. And then over here, they're like watching these Webkinz, and then they'll get a chance to go in here someday. As you can see, here, this is Maui. This is Alice. This is Tuck, and this is Caramel. And this is my Darth Vader thing. And then they like go in here and they can have like that sometime. And then this is like they can like look in there and see what's going on and stuff. And then this is her, where my legs can go in. There's like a thing that blocks us from the other stuffed animals, like the Koopa Troopa, this fish my brother made. I call it the sparkle fish. And then, so yeah, see, there's like other stuffed animals over there, like him, and then this Star Wars ship like blocks them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye guys. Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching. Bye.